Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my Shop My Stash for today, January. What? We're going to be doing my Shop My Stash for the month of January 2024. I'm really excited to kick this year off by going in with a new method to the madness, okay? I went ahead and added little note cards or little sticky notes with various ideas such as different color methods that we can use. Let me stop right there before I go any further. If you want to keep watching, you want to see what's going on, what changes have I made to my Shop My Stash this year, just keep on watching. That was the new intro for the year. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did make it myself. Really cute aesthetic vibes. So I did go ahead and create a couple of post-it notes. What I put in here was like various color ways that we can do pink makeup, green makeup. I also have like pick Shop My Stash makeup, Shop My Stash makeup, Temu, Dollar Tree. I also have a couple of like curveballs in there, like picking least favorite makeup. I also do like favorite picks or whatever. So I have quite a few options in here. I did go ahead and throw them in this sparkly bag. I also have been sick, so if I seem off, if I sound nasally, that's what's going on, so bear with me. But I did go ahead and throw the little post-it notes in here, and I did show you guys in a later clip how I went ahead and pulled. I don't have that many ideas in here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add more. But this is what I have so far. Kind of just like move them around, picked one out. So for the month of January, the picks are Barbie makeup. So I did go ahead and add the January on the bottom, so I can throw this away, but I just wanted to show you guys what was picked. So this is what we go into my collection and pick out. Other makeup from December, I did not update you guys on in today's video because I just went ahead and put everything back. I just kind of wanted to sweep that under the rug. December was very interesting. I got sick. I wasn't really posting that much because I was sick for quite a few weeks. I still am going through it. So I was like, girl, we don't want those negative vibes over here, okay? Stay over there in 2023. So I did just go ahead and put everything back. I really did love the makeup in that pulling, but I didn't even get to use it or experience it as much as I wanted to. So I went ahead and put it back, and we just started off nice and with a nice clean slate to the new year. So if you want to see the Barbie products that I picked out, of course, just keep on watching. I want to come here and show you guys my face since I haven't been on my channel in a while, and also just explain the methods. But in my other Shop My Stash videos, I don't really show myself. I just show my hands, show you guys what's going on with the products from the previous month, and then we go into my collection and we pick out some new products. So this is a special occasion kind of video. It is a little different. It might be a little shorter, but I hope you guys enjoy the new methods. I don't know, because it was getting a little hard to pick out different themes every month, so this just makes it nice and easy and kind of fun because it's like unexpected. So yes, I was really excited for Barbie to be the first pick because you guys know the vibes. But yes, let's go ahead and get into my collection. We're gonna pick out some new makeup, and the next upload is gonna be me using all the makeup on my face, which I actually just filmed. Spoiler alert. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Keep watching if you want to see the makeup that I pull for the next month. All right, so as you guys know, I have my Barbie palettes out here and on display. Ignore my dirty mirror, girl. I've been sick, as you guys can hear from my nasally voice. I'm still going through it, but we are gonna go ahead and choose a couple of eyeshadow palettes for this Barbie theme. As you guys know, let me show you guys what we pulled was Barbie makeup for January. So we do have my ColourPop Barbie eyeshadow palette. We also have this dupe from Temu, which I wanted to compare, so we will be doing that soon. We also have my Pure Times Barbie palettes as well. The one that I'm gonna pull for sure is the Glamlite Barbie palette. You guys know this is my favorite, and this is the only one where like the shimmers really hit and they're just so stunning. I also do get a variety of other shades in here. Yes, love this palette, love the shimmers in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this, and I think that's the only palette I'll be pulling for this month. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and get into this section here. At the top I have all of my mascaras. So this one from Revolution, the long lash lengthening mascara, but The one that I've really been into is the LA Colors Fully Amped Mascara. This one is so good, especially if you're not going to be wearing eyelashes. Girl, yes. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Here, we're just going to go ahead and go through my lip product. What do we want to go for? So these right here are actually the products that came in that like Barbie-esque box that I have up here. We have some like Frida Kahlo products from She Glam. What do I want to go for? We have some from Ioni Cosmetics. Go ahead and pull this Dragon Rain in 01. Maybe this My Melody liquid lipstick as well. This is their matte lip cream. So this is basically where my Shop My Stash makeup is going to go. We also have some putty primers up here, which I don't think we're going to pull from, to be honest. Maybe, yeah, I don't think we're going to pull anything from here. Maybe just the e.l.f. primer. Honestly, I'm not feeling putty primers today, so I'm just going to put those back. Over here we have my brow sets, which I'm going to go ahead and pull one from here. I kind of want to do this Easy Brow Gel in clear. Next we have my brow products at the top. So we have quite a few products to pick from, but I think I'm just going to choose my iMethod and I love my micro brow pen. Okay, I want to use up the Easy Brow Styler. I know I had it in last month, but I really do just want to get through it. And we'll just pick the same micro brow pen as well. Again, I just want to kind of like pull a couple more empties out of my collection. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these two. Next, we have lip liners over here, which, let's see. I'm going to do my infamous EBIN NY lip liner. You guys know I can't go without it. We're also going to pull, why not, the Jerimua Yummy lip liner. And we'll do one more. Let's do like a, ooh, this one's so tiny. I'm just going to go ahead and try to use it up, the other EBIN NY chocolate brown liner. So down here I have my pencil liners. Let's see. I love doing like a pink purple kind of look. So I'm going to pull this L'Oreal liner signature. You guys have seen this many times before. I'm also going to pull one more. I always pull this when I do this and I never use it, so I'm not pulling that today. Let's do a black liner. Let's pull the Ioni Cosmetics pencil eyeliner for today. We are going to need a pop of pink, so I'm going to take this AOA Studio Eyes on Me liquid liner in the shade Lovebirds. And let's do a flawless eyeliner from Romantic Beauty. Should we do one more? I think that's enough for this drawer. But you know what? Since I pulled a purple liner, I'm just going to pull my Artista as well. Artista, maybe Be Bold color liner as well. Love these. All right, guys. So next we have these two drawers. Let's see. We have my lip balms in here. I really do want to go for something cute and pink. We actually always do this, but I'm going to go ahead and pull my ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil because, girl, this is so cute. And let's do something fun for this section. I actually haven't used this in a while, the IBCCC NDC On The Go Blush. It's just like a, almost like, looks like a deodorant type blush. I also want to do, let's do a bronzer. But I literally don't know like what bronzer because I don't, oh, I do. We have the Papa bronzer here from AOA Studio. And this one here is in the shade Sand, so we'll pull that. And now all we need is a highlight. So I think I'm going to go for, let's go something. I'm going to allow myself to take one of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty ones. So I'm going to take the highlight in the shade Rose Quartz. These are going to be the cream products for the month. Right. Next we have my primers and my highlights over here. You guys know this is a long time favorite, the She Glam highlight. Am I allowed to take this? It's so cute. I love it so much. Oh wait, but we are doing Barbie theme, so why don't we take the Barbie and Pure highlight. I don't think I have any like specific Barbie primers, but I'm gonna take the, oh girl, what's going on here? Let's take the Niacinamide Watermelon Serum. We'll do a poreless one, the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Blur Face Primer. Let's do a gripping one as well, the IBCC Power Grip Primer. I'll take these two. Next we have my concealers, foundations, and blushes. Again, it's gonna be super hard not to choose a fuzzy cute one. I think I may have a Barbie blush somewhere. Blush is really pretty. The LA Colors blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks. It's just like the perfect Barbie shade. So I'm gonna take this. Do foundation. Now, I don't really have like any pinky products that I want to try or anything. I'm going to take the She Glam because this is a fave and I really do want to use it. Love this. Tried and True e.l.f. 69 Hour Camo Concealer, bronzers, and lipstick. Now, I do have a Barbie lipstick in here, which is this one, but it is a little beat up. It's just kind of like been through it, girl. I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm kind of like not wanting to take that one, but oh, we have my Beauty Creations lipstick. Let's take something pinky. What about this lipstick from the Dollar Tree? Go ahead and pull this. And then for bronzer, let's go ahead and pull the Beauty Creations Press Bronzer. So cute, in the shade Downturn. So I have like this beautiful set of lip gloss here, but I also do have a couple of Barbie lip glosses. Also have this stunning lip gloss from Temu. How beautiful is that? I'm just gonna take the little pair of lips. It's so cute. Powder, we have this pressed powder from O2O, but I haven't gotten a chance to really use this She Glam product. This is a Hydro Touch Refreshing Setting Powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. The Wet n Wild 5-in-1 Essence powder situation. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these two. Just brought you guys closer because you guys were a little too far. We have a couple of setting sprays. I think I'm definitely gonna pull the Metamorphosis Stay Bonita setting spray. And over here we do have a Barbie palette, which is this here. So cute, but it's not like pinky vibes, but I think I'm just gonna pull this. I also have this cute little like NYX one as well, which I'm also gonna pull. I hadn't converted this area into like my perfume section, but in these little drawers we also have some like fun kind of products. I'm gonna go ahead and pull my one single shadow that says Barbie on it. Also this Italy Deluxe Miss Metal liquid glitter situation, Glitter Shock in Pinkaboo. So these are all like glitter shadows and such that I really want to pull, which is this glitter liner. Let me go ahead and open it to bring with me. Look at this. So beautiful. And this one here is in Twinkling Lights. It's stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Alright guys, so those are all the products for this new month. I'm honestly looking forward to getting better and getting back into makeup again. Super excited for what the new year will bring for all of us. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.